Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to do a reading exercise using a set of specific group animal cards with a set of name tags. This exercise will reinforce the child's vocabulary. This exercise will also give the child the basic facts and information about animals, and most importantly, it will teach children further classification of animals into their specific group. So let's watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to work with a set of specific group animal cards. And today we're going to look at a special group of animals. We call them mammals. But we are going to look specially at rodents. Alright? So remember we talked about mammals? Yeah? So mammals, they have those basic characteristics such as they will have fur on their body, they are warm-blooded animals, and they also give birth to the young. So can you help me to place the header over here? Now we're going to look at the rodents. Let's look at this first rodent here. Can you tell me the name for this rodent?
Rabbit.
It's a rabbit. That's right. Now first of all, let's look at the rabbit. What do you see on the body?
Fur.
Fur. So remember, this is one of the characteristics of a mammal. Yeah, it has fur on its body. So look, the rabbit has fur on its body. Alright? And rabbit is warm-blooded. And a rabbit also gives birth to baby rabbits. Alright? Look at this part of the rabbit. What do we call this part of the rabbit? These are the
ears.
long ears. That's right. Do you know that a rabbit hops? And when it hops, the ears will basically gather in the air and cool down the body heat. Alright? Do you know what does a rabbit feed on?
Grass, vegetable.
That's right. Rabbits are basically plant eaters. So they are herbivorous. Can you place the picture card over here? Alright, Judith, we are going to look at another rodent. This is a very common rodent that we see. Do you know the name for this rodent?
Mouse.
Mouse, that's right. Do you know they are actually found in many places? So a mouse is not a very big animal. Okay, sometimes it can be rather small, and they love to hide in dark places, such as the drains, rubbish bins. All right, they are very active animals in the night. So active animals in the night, we call them nocturnal animals. Now again, let's look at the mouse. What do you see on the mouse body?
Fur.
Fur, that's right. So a rodent is also a mammal. Yeah, so again, you know, one of the characteristics of a mammal, they have fur on their body. That's right. And you know, a mouse, when they give birth, they also give birth to the young. That's right. Can you place the picture card over here? Okay, we're going to look at another rodent. Oh, this rodent, look at this rodent. What do you see on his body?
Very sharp spikes.
Spikes. Do you know the name for this rodent?
Porcupine.
It is a porcupine. Have you seen a porcupine before, Judith?
No.
No? Maybe next time when we go to the zoo, okay, we will go and see a real porcupine. Do you know what the spikes are for?
Is it to protect itself?
That's a very smart answer. Sometimes when the porcupine is being attacked by bigger animals, so to protect themselves or to defend themselves, okay, they will actually use all the spiky thorns to shoo away the enemies, okay? So not only they have spike, but if you look closely at the body, what do you see on the porcupine's body?
Fur.
Fur! That's right, fur, just like the rabbit and the mouse, okay? So can you place the picture card over here? So we have one more rodent to look at. This is a very common rodent. Most people would like to keep this rodent as a pet. Have you seen this rodent before?
Yes.
Do you know the name for this rodent?
Hamster.
It's a hamster. Right. Do you know what does a hamster feed on?
Fruits.
Grains, vegetables, berries, okay? And there's something very interesting about a hamster. So when they are eating, okay, they love to store food in their cheeks. So sometimes you see that they have puffy cheeks. If you look at the hamster, what do you see on the hamster's body?
Fur.
Fur, that's right. Okay, so it's a furry animal. Hamster also gives birth to the young baby hamsters. Can you place the picture card over here? Okay, so Judith, I have some name tags here. So can you please help me to read and match them to the picture cards?
Mouse.
Mouse, good.
Hamster.
Hamster,
Rabbit.
rabbit.
And porcupine.
Alright. So can you help me to match the control cards to the picture cards? Very good, Judith. So shall we go through the names for all these rodents one more time? So we have,
Rabbit.
very good,
Mouse. Porcupine. Hamster.
very good. So today we have looked at a group of rodents and they belong to mammals. So remember the basic characteristics of mammals. They have fur on their body. They are all warm-blooded and they give birth to the?
Yeah.
Very good, Judith. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms.